Falafel, just a very simple recipe. We made 400 falafel on Zach and Shane helped, and the mixtures went on and on. So I've got it off by heart, I think. And you know, the feedback is, I don't know, how did you find the falafel? Yeah, and I was worried about my sister-in-law because she doesn't like cumin, and I'm thinking, I hope Diane's coming, and I don't want to make a recipe with something she doesn't like the flavour of. So I actually decided I was going to do 2 falafels, one without cumin, so that she would cope. And so I found this recipe on the internet. I knew this one and I knew it would work, but the one on the internet, I thought that'll work, so I ordered all my veggies. It was broccoli and spinach and all sorts of things in it, and I thought, oh, that looks good. And I made it, and it was revolting. And it was about 2 days away from Nourish, and I'm like, what am I going to do now? Anyway, I had to reinvent all the recipes, and then I thought, well, Diane's coming, she either will or won't react to the cumin, and she liked it. Awesome. So yeah, I'm really pleased. You kind of want people to enjoy what you're making. So the juice of 1 lemon into the magic whiz, and 1 cup of chickpeas. And then I've got some bulgur wheat. So bulgur wheat is not gluten-free. So for you people who were gluten-free, who tried the gluten-free ones, I used quinoa instead of the bulgur wheat. So, but for those of us who don't have those chronic reactions, we can just have our bulgur wheat, which I get from Binin. It makes a nice sort of mushy texture to mix in with the chickpeas. So that's half a cup, and it's soaked in 1 cup of water. And then I'm going to add some garlic, which I'm going to crush first. So I'll just put the garlic through the magic crusher, which will take me a couple of seconds. I just like to crush it before it blends. Sometimes it depends on the recipe, but yeah, definitely this one needs a crush first. And then some salt, and the salt is up to you. I maybe oversalted those ones tonight, I don't know what you thought, but 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, up to you. You can decide. Some 2 tablespoons of parsley, chopped. Lovely green parsley. I think Shane was chopping parsley for a couple of hours on Sunday, weren't you? On and on it went. And then we've got the magic, the bad word, the cumin. Cumin, some people. It's just a teaspoon of cumin and a teaspoon of coriander, powdered coriander. And then it's just this, once again, I always sing the praises of this whiz because it just makes life easy. If I make these at home with my Kenwood whiz, I'm trying to just tell my husband that this is going to be an essential $1,000 spend shortly. And then just at the end, I'm going to put some flour in. So you kind of just blend that up, and sometimes if the bulgur wheat's been sitting for a while, and you just need to just pack it down a bit. Depends on how moist the mixture is, but it's pretty good. So I'll just give that a little more whiz. And then you just add 1/4 cup of flour, drizzle it in. And that's it. And then you simply take the mixture out, and form a little ball, just like so. And then you just lightly fry. Honestly, it takes a couple of minutes of that on either side. Fry, done. So there's our lovely, and you've tried them, that's a lovely display of falafel. So rich, and I think chickpeas are good brain food as well. In fact, I know they are. And just all the nutrients, the garlic, everything in here is good for you. So just know you've eaten well tonight.